Hello! Is the problem you're having? Let me guess. Don't get enough sales? You're not sure that your store is performing its best. Or maybe you've just created it and want to be certain that it's ready for promotion and you won't lose money. Anyway, you have found the best service. Our team of experts will gladly help you to make your store look professional and trustworthy. My name is Anna and I'll explain to you why you'll find this service extra useful. We know 3 possible situations when you might need to get your store reviewed by our experts. The first one is when you have just created your store from scratch and want to make sure that it is fully ready to meet your potential customers. The second one is when you already have enough traffic to your website, but your bounce rate is high and your visitors don't order from you. And the third one is when you feel that your store could do better. In each of these 3 cases, the best idea is to order a store review. Thanks to our experience in the dropshipping business, we have an understanding of what the profitable store should look like to perform its best. We have a special checklist which helps us to not miss a single page while analyzing your store. We carefully evaluate each page of your store starting from the home page. Our experts also check if your branding fits your target audience according to the chosen niche. Your store colors, text, logo, and all the other elements should bring the right message from the first sight. So, what can you expect after you implement our recommendations from the checklist? Your online store will look more professional and trustworthy. Your conversion rate will increase up to 3 times. You'll get more revenue and more customers and repeat buyers. Your return on investments will get much better. Why will this happen? Because we inspect each aspect of your store using our checklist to make sure that we find all the weaknesses so that you can correct them immediately. You should know that store categories, menu, pictures and text on the home page and other pages, product pages appearance and SEO, all these aspects have an impact on your store's performance. When we see that there is something wrong with your store, we give you instructions on how to correct it. Right after you place the order, our experienced dropshipping experts start reviewing your online store. You get a complete plan detailing exactly what you need to improve in your store and valuable suggestions on your store appearance and work, plus future implementation plans in extended and premium packages. So you'll receive an action plan to fix all your store problems. Order your store review right now to build a better website with high profits. See you!